Here's a beginner-level project management quiz that covers schedule management, communication management, and risk management. Let's go. Question 1. The visual tool commonly used to show a project timeline with activities and durations. A. Work breakdown structure, B. Gantt chart, C. Risk register, and D. Resource histogram. Answer: Gantt chart. Question 2. Which method identifies the longest sequence of activities in a schedule? A. PERT, B. Crashing, C. Critical path method, CPM, and D. Rolling wave planning. Answer: Critical path method, CPM. Question 3. The amount of time an activity can be delayed without affecting the project schedule. A. Lead time, B. Lag time, C. Duration reserve, and D. Total float. Answer: Total float. Question 4. The schedule baseline is used to A. Define project scope, B. Measure schedule performance, C. Allocate resources, and D. Identify team members. Answer: Measure schedule performance. Question 5. A technique that shortens the schedule by adding extra resources to critical path tasks. A. Fast tracking, B. PERT, C. Monte Carlo simulation, and D. Crashing. Answer: Crashing. Question 6. Which document outlines how communication will be managed throughout the project? A. Stakeholder register, B. Project charter, C. Communication management plan, and D. Issue log. Answer: Communication management plan. Question 7. Which type of communication is considered most effective in resolving conflicts? A. Face-to-face, B. Email, C. Written, and D. Social media. Answer: Face-to-face. Question 8. Which of the following is a barrier to effective communication? A. Clear instructions, B. Feedback, C. Noise, and D. Active listening. Answer: Noise. Question 9. What is the purpose of a stakeholder analysis in communication management? A. Approve budgets, B. Determine communication needs, C. Identify risks, and D. Allocate resources. Answer: Determine communication needs. Question 10. Which of the following is an example of push communication? A. Meeting, B. Phone call, C. Newsletter, and D. Collaboration software. Answer: Newsletter. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the first step in risk management? A. Plan risk response, B. Perform risk analysis, C. Control risks, and D. Identify risks. Answer: Identify risks. Question 12. A known risk that is planned for using a contingency reserve is called A. Known unknown, B. Unknown risk, C. Mitigated threat, and D. Black swan. unknown. Question 13. Which document lists all identified risks? A. Project plan, B. Risk register, C. Changelog, and D. Lessons learned register. Answer: Risk register. Question 14. What is the technique to reduce the probability or impact of a threat? A. Accept, B. Transfer, C. Mitigate, and D. Enhance. Answer: Mitigate. Question 15. What kind of risk response is used for positive risks or opportunities? A. Exploit, B. Avoid, C. Transfer, and D. Control. Answer: Exploit. Question 16. Which tool uses probability and impact to prioritize risks? A. Fishbone diagram, B. SWOT analysis, C. Probability impact matrix, and D. Tornado diagram. Answer: Probability impact matrix. Question 17. Which analysis is used for quantifying overall project risk exposure? A. Qualitative risk analysis, B. Monte Carlo simulation, C. Expert judgment, and D. Cause and effect analysis. Answer: Monte Carlo simulation. Question 18. Which of the following is a secondary risk? A. Risk arising from a risk response, B. Risk discovered late, C. Major project threat, and D. Risk not documented. Answer: Risk arising from a risk response. Question 19. What is risk appetite? A. Appetite for project success, B. Willingness to accept risk, C. Degree of risk impact, and D. Appetite for budgeting errors. Answer: Willingness to accept risk. Question 20. Which of the following is not a risk response strategy for threats? A. Accept, B. Mitigate, C. Avoid, and D. Share. Answer: Share. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.